Hello viewers, welcome to the Gemini Garden. In this video, we are going to see 25 things that you never add into your composting mix. Before starting this video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, so you can get more gardening ideas. Okay, let's get started. Composting is the way to make nutritious potting mix with garden and kitchen wastes. But there is some exceptions, which will ruin the quality of composting. Here we will see those 25 things. Number 1. Meat, fish, and bones. They can attract pests and create odor issues. Number 2. Dairy products. They can produce unpleasant smells and attract animals. Number 3. Oils, fats, and grease. They can slow down the composting process and create a greasy mess. Number 4. Diseased plants. They can spread diseases to the compost and later to your garden. Number 5. Weed seeds. Composting may not kill seeds, causing weeds to sprout in your garden. Number 6. Pet waste, dog or cat feces. It can contain harmful bacteria and parasites that can persist in the compost. Number 7. Coal or charcoal ash. They contain substances harmful to plants, but you can use wood ashes. Number 8. Synthetical chemicals. Pesticides, herbicides, and treated wood can contaminate the compost. Number 9. Glossy or colored paper. These papers may contain inks or chemicals that are not ideal for composting. Number 10. Bread, pasta, and other baked goods. These can attract pests, fungus, and animals. Number 11. Citrus peels in large quantities. They are slow to break down and may disrupt the compost balance. Number 12. Onions and garlic in large quantities. They can create strong odors in the compost. Number 13. Spicy or oily food scraps. They may disturb the balance of the compost and attract pests. Number 14. Pine needles in large quantities. These needles are acidic and can alter the pH of the compost. Number 15. Synthetic fibers or materials. These do not break down and can introduce non-biodegradable substances. Number 16. Plastic, glass, or metal. These materials do not compost and should be recycled or properly disposed of. Number 17. Charcoal briquettes. They may contain additives or chemicals that are not suitable for composting. Number 18. Lime or calcium-rich materials in excessive amounts. They can raise the pH of the compost beyond optimal levels. Number 19. Large branches or woody materials. These take a long time to break down in a typical compost pile. Number 20. Coal dust or fireplace ashes. They can contain substances harmful to plants. Number 21. Bamboo or invasive plant trimmings. They may regrow or spread in the compost. Number 22. Sawdust from treated or painted wood. The chemicals used in treatment or painting can be harmful. Number 23. Sod or grass treated with herbicides. It can introduce harmful chemicals into the compost. Number 24. Disposable diapers. These contain plastic and other non-compostable materials. Number 25. Anything non-organic or synthetic. This includes materials such as rubber, styrofoam, and nylon. By avoiding these items, you can maintain a healthy compost pile that produces high-quality compost for your gardening needs. If you want to see how to make homemade pesticides easily, do watch this video. Subscribe to the channel to be in touch. Thank you. Bye.